Hey, it's Blake. Blake Nelson, Keller Williams, out here on a beautiful morning in front of a beautiful house. This just came on the market and it's a showstopper. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and a 3-car garage in Shawnee. And you think these trees look good? Wait till we hop in the drone, fly over the house, and see the trees in back. This floor plan is incredible and the maintenance is awesome. I've got 2 fireplaces, 2 dining areas, 2 living areas, and a huge kitchen just on the main floor. Plus, a full finished walkout basement that has tons of light. You name it, this house works for anyone. Come on inside and take a look. Check this out. You won't believe this. Now you think I'm probably selling vacant ground instead of houses, but this is what is behind this house. I can hear the creek. It's total privacy. The setting is beautiful. So with this house comes this incredible, totally private view that backs to green space. So hard to find. You might think we're in Colorado, but we're actually still in Kansas.